show you your maths textbook. That is lesson number 1. Lesson number 1, special understanding. First lesson of your math subject is special understanding. In that, the first 1.1 point is top and bottom. We have to identify what do you mean by top and what do you mean by bottom. So top here means the upper part. The upper part of the any box or table or anything it may be, whatever it may be, but the upper part is called top. The lower part is called bottom. So this one is top and this one is bottom. Here one exercise is given. Color the bricks of the top row red and the bricks of the bottom row green. So here this one is there, no? Here the first row, this one I have written here, see, red. So this first line you should color it red and this bottom line with green color. Second one, this is our Indian flag. Color the top part of the orange and the bottom part green. So this is our Indian flag. What it is? Indian flag. So in Indian flag we have three colors, orange, white and green. So in the first layer we have to color with the orange color and in the last we have to do the green color. So do the orange as well as green color here, what I have written in that layer. The last one is we have to draw star top of the Christmas tree. This is Christmas tree and we have to draw the star at the top of the tree. See here how I have drawn. Like this you have to draw. Second point, that is 1.2. In first lesson, special understanding, the second point is on and under. On and under. On means what? On means above any table, any box or anything it may be. On any object, above that if we keep on it, then it is called on. And whatever is kept under means below it, that is called under. This glass is on the table and this bottle is below the table. So it is called upper means on, lower means bottom. Here few more exercises are given regarding the on and under. First one, color the box under the table. Which one is under? Show me. Yes, this down is there, no? That is under. Below the table is called under. So color this box. Second exercise, color the mangoes on the tree. Here mangoes are there. See here mangoes here as well as on the trees and on the ground. So what is mentioned here? Color the mangoes on the trees. On means what? Above. So these color only the mangoes which are there on the tree. How I have done here, see, with the pencil you color it. Third point, look at the given pictures and circle the correct answer. Look at the given picture and circle the correct answer. Here, see a picture is there now. One table is there, flowers are kept on the table and leaves are fallen down. So, sentences are here. Flowers are on or under the teapot. Means where is the flowers? Flowers are on the table. So, circle here on. And leaves are on or under the teepot. So the leaves are under the teapot. So circle under. Fourth one, Look at the given picture. Fill in the blanks with on and under. See the picture here, what it is? It is a mat and one mug is kept on it. So statement here, the mug is dash the mat. The mug is on or is there? Under is there? It is above now, so it is on. So write here on, on. Second statement, the mat is dash the mug. Where is the mat? Tell me. It is below the mug now, so it is called under. So write here under, under. The mat is under the mug. In maths lesson number 1, special understanding, the third topic is inside, outside. What do you mean by inside? Inside means in the house. Here house is there. This boy is inside it, means in. Inside means in, outside means out. Out of the house, out of the box, out of anything which is like covered. Here some exercises are given regarding inside and outside. The first exercise here is circle the animal that is inside the cave. Inside means what? In. So which animal is inside here? This one now. So we have to put here circle. I have done here, see, like this circle you have to put. Second point, color the marbles that are outside the box. Means here, see here marbles are there, here and here. So we have to color which are outside. Means outside means what? Out. These marbles are inside the box and these are out now. So circle these out marbles. Third, draw some chickens outside the coop. Draw some chickens outside the coop. This coop is there and we have to draw some chickens outside it. Means here I have drawn here 2 chickens. So like this we have to draw. Look at the picture, fill in the blanks with inside and or outside. Here one basket full of mangoes is there and here watermelons are outside. Open. The mangoes are dash the basket. Where are the mangoes? Mangoes are inside the basket, no? So write here inside. 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 The watermelons are outside the basket. Here outside is there no watermelons. So write here OUTSIDE. Outside. Number 1, special understanding. The fourth point is above, below. What do you mean by above here? Above means top. Top, bottom. That only it is. Above means up. Below means low. Like this it is. See here. The fan is above and this boy is sitting below. Below the fan he is sitting and the fan is above to the boy. Above means top, below means bottom. Here few exercises are given regarding above and below. First exercise, color the bird above the tree. Above means what? Up. Up means what? Top. Here bird is there, no? Color this bird. Second exercise, color the leaf below the flower. Here leaves are there, here as well as down also. What is mentioned here? What here? The textbook is asking to us below the flower. Color a leaf below the flower. Here flower is there. Below that means down these 3 leaves are there. So color these leaves with green color. Not this above 2. Only color these 3. Third exercise. Draw a butterfly above a flower. Means above means up. Here many flowers are there. So we have to draw one butterfly. See here how I have drawn. Like this you have to draw a butterfly. Fourth exercise. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with the above or below. See here one plant is there. This is called leaves. Green color are the no. These are called leaves. And this is called ground. This is called ground no. And these down ones. These are called roots. What it is called? Roots. It is below the ground. Means our earth will be there no. In that it will be. Statement. The roots grow dash the ground. Where did the roots grow? Below the ground. See how it is grown here, below the ground. The leaves grow dash the ground. Where did the leaves grow? See here, the leaves are growing on the ground. So write here above. A-B-O-V-E. Above. In a special understanding, lesson number 1 in maths textbook, the 5th point is near, far. What do you mean by near? Near means very near to us. Like here, see here, this tree is there, and this is doggy. Doggy is near to the tree, and this one is this coconut tree is there no, that is far. So near means, what should I say to you? Near means nazdik, and far means dur. See here some exercises are given regarding near and far. First one, color the pot that is near Sania. Here see here, this girl name is Sania, and here down 3 flower pots are given. So which is near? Near means nazdik. So which is near to her? This first one. This first flower pot is near to her. So color only the first flower pot. Second one, circle the object that is far away from Rohan. This boy, you can see no, this boy name is Rohan, and he is standing under the tree. Which object is far from him? So circle means we have to circle here. Boat is there and sun is there. Which is far? Boat is near to him and sun is very far. So circle this sun. Third exercise. Look at the picture, fill in the blanks with near or far. Near or far we have to mention here. See the picture. This picture is there no. This girl name is Beena and this boy name is Bijoy. And this is the house. Beena is dash her house. Where is Beena? Beena is standing here. See here. Beena is standing here near the house. So write here N-E-A-R, near. Bijoy is dash from his house. Where is Bijoy? Bijoy is standing far away from the house, no? So write here F-A-R, far. Bijoy is far from his house. Fourth exercise. Draw a tree from the pond. Draw a mouse near the tree. See here, draw a tree from the far from the pond. Here pond you can see no, this is called pond. So from Here far away we have to draw a tree. See here I have drawn here, and near to the tree we have to draw a mouse. So see here mouse is there near to the pond, and this one is far. So this is about near and far. In this video we learned about the 5 topics in special understanding mathematics subject. First one,